guys, I'm going on a solo trip, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my stuff. And yeah, don't worry, you're not gonna see my hair looking this fly, so don't tell me I'm catfishing. But I just finished doing a shoot, and yeah, I decided to actually try on this look and see if I was feeling my hair. So I wanted to see if I can go to Tulum with my hair like this. But that's gonna be a disaster. I intend to put my hair in a bun. That's usually how I travel my hair, but we're gonna see how this goes. So this is look number 1. I'm thinking of wearing this. This is a set. It has this kaftan. I got this at vendor. I got this from a vendor in Miami. Just somebody who has a store, so there's no brand. I got this last sometime this year in the summer, but I haven't worn it yet, and I'm thinking of wearing it with this Rebecca Minkoff. I'm in my closet, you guys. I got this sandals from Nordstrom Rack the other day, and the Rebecca Minkoff. This is why I like Nordstrom Rack. Look at the sole of these shoes. The quality is so good and it's so soft. I have a pair of flats or slides that look like this, that have this ring toe right, but I really like this one, so I was like, yep, you're coming home with me. But yeah, I'm thinking of wearing this for, you know, just walking around the hotel if I'm relaxing. Glasses, I usually like to try on everything, so I'm not sure what I'll wear as sunglasses and shoes for this one, but accessories or earrings, probably just studs. But I would like to take a good picture at the resort, because the hotel is it's like a Riyadh style hotel, and it has this Moroccan vibes. Of course, Riyadh is Moroccan vibe, so yeah, I'd like to take a picture with this at the hotel. So yeah, this dress, I still have to alter it. I need to go to Azaluk Resort, and they have a very beautiful museum there, so I like to wear this. I still have to take it to the tailor. I got this in a large because I saw this dress in store. It was on sale, and I was like, I do not care. I tried it on and it fit me on the waist, so I was like, you know what, we just have to tailor it up here and that'll be it. So I think this will be perfect to wear to Azaluk. Let me figure out what I'm going to wear as accessories. I feel like these earrings might be a bit too much because the dress is already, you know, va-va-voom. I might just look for white pearl earrings. I don't know where my white pearl earrings are, but let me zoom this in a bit. Yeah, I might just look for white pearl earrings to wear with this. The lighting is so bad. Accessories, I got these white pearl rings from Shein. Bracelet is, I got it in Cameroon. It's my home country, by the way. And this bag, I might have this bag because it matches with the dress, and voila. Yep, I think that will be it for this one. Yeah. This is the next look. This is also something I think I'm going to wear just around the hotel, or maybe to go have lunch around. I have this bag. I'm definitely going to carry this in a couple of outfits as well. But it's a perfect bag for the beach as well. And accessories, now I'm thinking if I had a pearl choker, this will be fantastic. I'm going to look for something. Hopefully I can see something. I'm queen of trying to order stuff last minute before a trip, but yeah, this is what this looks like. Swimsuit number 1 because I'm going to take a walk on the beach. I don't swim. I might not be in the water, but I'm going. And my hotel, my room also has a small pool. So, and it's a beachfront hotel. So, yep. This one is a one piece with open back. I've had this for years. I got this from Zara like 3 years ago. Has an open back. Open back. Open back. Before I go on a trip, I like to actually wear everything I'm going to wear on the trip, and together with the accessories. And I'm a bit lazy today, so I'm not really doing accessories for all the looks except the very most important ones. But yeah, before going on trip, I wear everything, right, from what I'm going to wear around the hotel and what I'm going to wear to breakfast. I usually like to wear those. If I want to accessorize, I accessorize everything and I take pictures and keep. Sometimes when you go on a trip, you forget how you plan to style something, so taking pictures, actually wearing everything, including underwear, whatever underwear I intend to use for that outfit, I'll usually wear it, because sometimes you get to a place and you're like, ooh, you packed the wrong panties and there's nothing you can do about it. So I like to, like, from inside to outside and accessories, and take pictures and take note. And as I'm wearing everything, I'm just putting it on the side or put it together, so by the time I'm done, I'm packing in my box. So you guys, I'm so excited. So I never wanted to go with this Andrea Yama bikini. I've had this swimsuit. I've worn it once. I've had it for like 2 years. I've worn it once. It has a bottom. I didn't want to travel with it because I was like, you know what, I don't think I'm gonna wear it this time. And then I was trying to figure out how to style. Let me show you guys. I was trying to figure out how to style this headband. I've had this Zara headband for 2 to 3 years, never worn it. And then, you know what I said? It's the same color. I actually put it on the bed and I was like, whoa, it's the same color of this bikini. Then I said, you know what, I could just go with this swimsuit. And then at the same time, I'm trying to figure out an outfit. The outfit I was trying to put together was, I want to take a picture, I want to go to this sculpture. I'm gonna put, I don't know if it's Venalus, or I don't know if I've not learned the pronunciation, so I don't want to scatter. You know what, I've been using this thing to cover my face. Let me adjust it, guys. That's better. So I've been trying to put it together an outfit. I'm wondering, what am I going to wear? And then this is it. This is what I'm going to wear. I'm going to wear this white pants. I think I'll just go flat because I want my pants to just flush and cover my feet. I'll have this right here, and then the headband. Look at my flexi rods actually match the color too. But guys, am I excited? I'm so excited for this look. Oh my god. Back, I can wear it either like this. I have my camera in my hand because I can either wear it like this. I don't think I'm gonna wear it like this, but either way, I might take pictures with it like this, and then, or like this. So you guys let me know which one is preferable. I'm so excited to wear this. I know it's just like a bra, but at least my pants come right up, so it doesn't look that bad. But yeah, I think I like this. And my little bloated tummy. Yeah, I'm so excited for this one. I'm so excited. You guys, look at something. I wore this. I'm going to put a picture of this. I wore this set on for my 30th birthday, and I'm turning 32. So I actually wore it for the photo shoot. I've never worn it before. I'm thinking of wearing it. Let me show you guys. Now I'm conflicted. I don't know if I want to wear this to the resort. Oh my god. So this is the look. Now I don't know if I want to wear this. This looks so immaculate. I'm definitely going to have the orange headband on my head. Where is it? And my hair is going to be in a ponytail. I've been thinking of, I woke up this morning and I started thinking, should I wear my hair? Should I not? But I think I'll just, you know, put my hair in a bun like I usually do most times when I travel. And I'm still thinking of having flats just so my pants, I don't know if I wear anything high. Alright, so I've worn these sandals and I think these are going to be okay. So because they're much more comfortable, and you guys, I'm so excited now. I don't know if I want to wear this to the the Sphere Museum. I'm not pronouncing these things well, so I've not learned how to pronounce them. You know, yeah, definitely before I get to Mexico, I'm going to know how to pronounce whatever I have to pronounce or learn. I have to learn more about Tulum before going. I'm yet to learn, so I can, you know, I love to get a good understanding of the culture and not just go to places just because, you know, I want to go. Like, so that when I'm going around, I'm saying, oh, this is this, this is that, this is that, you know. But yeah, you guys let me know, should I wear this to the museum? The museum is actually so beautiful. I might put a picture up here so you guys can see. Should I wear this to the museum, or I should wear this to, because if I'm wearing this to what they call this place, if I'm wearing this to the sculpture, it's just to take a picture at the sculpture and look good, but I don't know if that's gonna be perfect. I have this Zara set I got during the summer. It's just one of those things which you have a love-hate relationship with. Okay, this is supposed to be like this. Yeah, it's a short mini skirt and a top. The skirt is pretty short. I'm thinking of wearing this for like dinner, if I have to go out to dinner on my birthday. But yeah, and I'll pair this with these white palms. These are from Schutz, and I'm definitely going to have this bag. I'm already going with this bag, so I could as well just, you know, and I need a sizable bag, so if I have to carry stuff, since I'm not going with I'm not driving. But yeah, and then I have this crazy, oh no, listen, no, I need to do this dress justice. The lighting is not doing this dress justice. This is an absolutely gorgeous dress with ostrich feathers, and I have this Jessica Simpson heels. I was also thinking of wearing this for my birthday, but like I said, I haven't finalized plans on where I want to be on my birthday evening. So, and I have just a few days. Yeah, guys, I have like 4 days before. I have like a few days left before this trip though. So, yeah. Damn. I hate that the lighting is not doing this dress justice. Let me see if this looks better. And then I have this gorgeous earrings from Nordstrom Rack. This is a very special dress to me, so I don't want to wear it just any. I mean, my birthday is very special to me as well. By the way, we said we should stop saving clothes, right? We should stop saving clothes for the right occasion. So I'm yet to figure out. I didn't put aside sunglasses, underwear, and some other accessories. But I have to go on a tour, and I'm yet to figure out what I want to wear that day. So that's probably the only thing I have left. But for the most part, I'm just going to put like extra items just in case. My hair is like this. I have to do my photo shoot today, my birthday photo shoot, I might have to do that by myself. I asked a friend to come help me because just so I'm not out of focus when I'm shooting. But I might have to do that by myself at home. And yeah, this is the video. Thank you if you watched to this point. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do make natural hair and fashion content. So yeah, bye. Love you guys.